How to change the headings text size in your Shopify store. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. I will show you how to change the headers size basically. So I'm speaking about these headings text basically. So wherever you have a text that has some headings, it's just going to be you are going to be able to change the size of it. For example, I just created this blog post that has a few headers and some body text, and I'll show you how to change the size of these um, headers basically. So let's just go ahead and jump into the tutorial. So what we need to do first is just go to our Shopify admin, go to online store, go to themes, and then from here you would want to select your theme that you want to adjust this change to, and just go to customize. So once you click on customize, basically we are going to be changing this. So first, let me just go ahead and change the banner heights just so we can see it easier. This is not related to what we are doing here, but you know, I'm just doing it anyway. So what we need to do is just go to the theme settings option on the left panel here, and then you want to click on that. And then the third option should be typography. You would want to just go ahead and click on this. And then from here, you can actually go ahead and change the font of the header, as you can see. But this is not what we want. What we want is actually the font size scale for the headings. So it's by default 100%. Unfortunately, you cannot really make it smaller from here, but you can always just make it bigger. So we can just go 115 here, and it does get bigger, as you can see. Or we can just go crazy with the number, and you can see how big it actually can be. Now, this is going to affect all the headings across the Shopify store. So if we just go to blog here, and we just click on this one, you can see the headers are pretty huge here, as you can see. If we just revert back to 100, it is going to be a lot smaller, but you can always just make it a little bit bigger or a lot bigger if you want, as you can see. And also, not only the header, but you can always just the body text as well, the size of it. So if you want to do so, you can always just get to the body font size, and you can just go ahead and make it bigger. And you can notice the body text also can become bigger. But I'm just going to take this down a little bit, and if we just go to the home page, you can just go ahead and preview it in real time to see whether it's going to suit you or not, and you can always just revert it back to normal if you would like. So this is obviously would want to save on the top right, but yeah, this is pretty much how to actually change the headings size or text size in your Shopify store. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.